How to add music on Shorts on PC. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now the first thing that you want to do is to open up your YouTube Studio, and you can just go ahead and open up the video or the short that you want to edit. In my case, I'll go ahead and edit this one. You can just go ahead and click on the details. It is the pencil icon on the shorts right here. Now, once inside, you will then go ahead and see the categories right below our video. You can just go ahead and click on Analytics. You can just go ahead and click on Editor. And once inside, you want to click on Get Started. From here, we then have the ability to click on Audio. And as you can go ahead and see, it basically works the same thing with the mobile version. You can just go ahead and find your music, go ahead and click on Add, and it will integrate it into our video right here. You can just go ahead and edit this the way you want to by sliding on the music file right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.